All right, everybody, we're working on another multiple choice question from the 2014 Math 8 SOL test. Let's take a look at this one. It's asking which of these best describes the relationship of the data shown in the scatter plot? All right, so let's talk about the first possible answer, a constant relationship. So in order for a scatter plot to demonstrate constant relationships, we would need to see a cluster of our graphed data. Let's pretend that this is a new graph. A cluster of our graph data, if it's in a constant relationship, it would kind of stay steady, kind of moving straight across our graph. Not really rising, not really decreasing, not really kind of blasted all over the place, just kind of a steady, straight across the board kind of progression. And that's not what we have in this graph. Clearly, these are not forming any kind of pattern that runs directly across the graphed data. So we're going to go ahead and cancel out that as one of our possible answers. So let's go ahead and take a look at negative relationships. A negative relationship, your data would be graphed so that it kind of started off high and then it kind of decreased as time went on. So kind of something like this. And it would sort of form like a line that would essentially kind of slope down in this direction. And again, the graph points we have in this graph, in this data, clearly does not demonstrate a negative relationship. So let's toss that one out the window. Let's go ahead and see what we talk about when we talk about a positive relationship. A positive relationship means as time increases, so does whatever we're graphing. So the data for a positive increase would kind of be going up at a steady progression, kind of forming a line that would travel in this direction, kind of the opposite of the negative one. So a positive relationship, the data would be traveling in a line kind of shaped direction in this way. And again, that's not what we have here. What we have here is just scattered data all over forming no pattern. So I would say that the answer for this one would be no relationship. So I guess the key to this question, first of all, is recognizing what kind of relationship we have in the data here, knowing what constant relationships, negative and positive, look like. So if you know that, this answer, no relationship, should have been a pretty easy one to find. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Have a wonderful day.